How to fix YouTube 60 FPS lagging and dropped frames on Google Chrome. Let's get started. Launch your YouTube and play any of the video. Now right click on it and select the option of Stats for Nerds. You will be able to find that YouTube FPS are lagging and dropping. So how to fix this? For that, click on three dots given at the top right corner. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option of Settings, open it. Now, at the left corner, you're gonna find different option. Head over to the option System. Now click on the option Use Graphic Acceleration when available. Disable for this option. After you do that, you can relaunch your Chrome, and just for that, your problem will be fixed. So, this way you can easily fix YouTube 60 FPS lagging and drop frames on Google Chrome. Now you can play any of the video and check. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.